talk weather. May has been a month of cooler than average temperatures, and now that we're on its final day, we'll take a look back at some of the weather that we saw.
It's like a year ender, right? At the end of the year, we're always looking back. But we're going to look back in the middle of the year, right, Dirk? So let's talk about what's happened last month before we move into June.
Well, this way, you get rid of any of those misconceptions.
That's true.
You think, you say, oh, what was it like? It was so crazy. It was so cold. It was so warm. And this way we can just sort that all out and lay statistically what it was like actually in the month of May. So let's take a look at the numbers. As far as high temperatures, our daytime high temperatures, typically the month of May we average 81.2 degrees, and we had only 79 degrees. So we were 2.2 degrees below average for the month of May. That goes along with, again, all these cool days that we've been experiencing. Average low temperatures, 53.9 degrees. We observed 53.3, so it wasn't a big difference with our morning low temperatures, just a little over a half a degree cooler than average. Average rainfall is 0.84 inches. This is when we typically really start drying things out. And we were extra dry in the month of May, at least in the valley, not in the mountains. We've had lots of showers and thunderstorm activity in the mountains, while the valley we only had 0.29, so a little bit over a quarter of an inch, which is 0.55 below the average. Now let's talk about the number of days of 90 degrees or above. And you may think, well, we didn't have a whole lot, but we averaged 7 and we saw 7. So we got our average. How about 100-degree days? We didn't have any. We typically average one 100-degree day, but there was none in the month of May. So that's what we've been dealing with so far for the month of May. And for the month of June, well, we're going to have to find out from Tamara what we have going on.
Yeah, Dirk, I think, 100-degree days, we feel that leaves an imprint, but 90-degree days is like, okay, just a blip on the radar, essentially. I think we're going to wrap up May on this day with temperatures below average. We'll get into the low 60s by about an hour and a half from now. Noontime temperature at 72, and eventually we'll make the climb up to 80. So today is going to go maybe 2 to 3 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday. That puts us to a high of 80 degrees. Average, for perspective, is 85 now, and the record on this day was broken just 2 years ago, back in 2021. It was sizzling on this day at 106 degrees. I do expect that as the Delta breeze continues to stay pretty steady and sustained throughout the day today, that's going to keep us with those numbers below the average. And even tomorrow, as we kick off June, we'll still be trending a bit below average. The other thing we'll be monitoring is this piece of energy that continues to kind of disrupt the momentum, especially in the Sierra in the afternoons as we get the buildup of the clouds and the instability, and that could trigger a couple more thunderstorms as that moisture races right up the Sierra crest. I think the best location for storms today will be along the eastern slope, and then really you'll watch that system track a little farther east both Thursday and Friday as high pressure builds in. This is a good stabilizer for us. It should keep conditions a little calmer if you have outdoor plans in the mountains on Thursday, Friday, and maybe even to Saturday, guys. So the nice thing about that is for folks that want to do things outdoors. I know in the past couple of afternoons it's been kind of hit and miss in the mountains, but for those outdoor enthusiasts, I know like Brian Hickey, you've got the green light, especially Thursday and Friday to get outdoors.
That's going to make Brian smile. Nice big wide smile. Yeah,
let's go.
Green light.
Let's go.